There she is. There's your craft. You realize you've only got 24 hours to get up to that meteor, destroy it, and get back.
I'll do it in 23.
Okay. That'll be great. Wait. We're getting some sort of weird reading on the radar screen. Takes it a while to go around. There was a blip earlier. I heard a blip, I swear.
Oh, I didn't turn it on. Hold on. Oh. There we go. Must be a blip.
Some weird computer noise is happening.
A blip sound that would come out of there.
Any old sound will do.
Bing, bing, bing.
Oh, there it is.
We gotta get a faster sweeping radar.
It takes about 15 minutes to go all the way around.
Starting to make me nervous. You guys could lose me for like 10 minutes.
Wait, here comes the sound again. Wait, new sound. Oh my God, it's every sound in space. You realize what that means? We're being attacked by the planet Nebulotus.
Nebulotus?
Yes, you're going to have to go with special gear on this mission, Blaze. Try out the new prototypical jetpack. Here.
All right, I'll just take it for a little spin here in our hangar.
Let me fire up the engines.
All right.
I'll flip the switch.
All right, they're engaged. Now I'll fire off the rockets.
Fantastic.
Here I go. I'm gonna need more fuel.
Yeah.
That just barely got me out of my shoes.
You know what, Blaze? I'm going with you. You're not going to make it up there alone. Let's get into the spacecraft.
What? You with your gammy mechanical leg? That's suicide!
I'm going to make it. I'm going to climb up this metal ladder.
Wait a minute! I've got to say goodbye to my horse.
I'm going to open up the airlock on the space capsule. Are you going to say goodbye to the horse or not?
I just said goodbye to the horse, and I just lost my final game of Pac-Man as well. Now I'm ready to go.
Come up the ladder with me.
Hell with the ladder. I'm going to use my jetpack. Well, it got me to the first rung. I'll climb the rest of the way.
There we go. All right. Strap in there.
All right.
Everything's on a delayed mechanism.
That's good. It gives it a moment to decide whether it actually wants to connect or not.
Of course, I have a special seatbelt. It's made of a ferret. Good boy, good boy.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like that.
Whoa, whoa. Okay, all right.
He'll never let go of that little piece of gristle, will he? That holds him in... Not that piece of... No! The other part of the straw.
I know what you meant.
The galaxy has a dirty mind.
All right, engine one. Oh, that was the alarm. Let me turn that off. Oh, engine number one.
That's engine one. That is engine one.
Okay.
Luckily, we have engine two. Thank God we have 16 engines on this thing.
Thanks, Mel and Brian. Thank you very much. We'll be right back. Don't go away right after this.